Benny X.
I don't know what you call it. I don't be giving no fuck.
Oh, I checked the weather really quick.
Alright guys, so for today's video, we're going to be fishing in this small
Something
pond
might have
that
just
we got
bit
here,
mine, I didn't look.
and we're going to try to catch the biggest fish. We just came back this year. It's our first time coming back to this lake. And
Yeah, I will.
we're hoping to catch the biggest one here, or we're just trying to catch just big fish in general. So, yeah.
It's in your backpack. Oh, got one, got one. No, it's in your backpack, bro. Get it, get it, get it. Got one. Oh, a decent little, kind of small, kind of small. I'm already recording, bro, come on. Oh yeah, it's a smaller one. Let's get her in here. All right, first fish of the day. Yeah, good, nice view. Pretty good fish. Probably like half a pound at most. Oh, grab the pliers. Oh yeah, smaller one. Let's get her in here. All right, first fish of the day. Yeah, good, nice view. Pretty good fish. Probably like half a pound at most. Oh, grab the pliers.
Good fish, probably
Grab
like
the pliers, grab the pliers.
good first like 5 minutes probably.
Yeah, decent. Probably half a pound fish here. In the water now.
All right, guys, we're gonna release them.
All right, there she goes. First fish of the day. It's pretty good. That's fine. Oh, I got one. I actually got one. 2 for 2, bro. 2 for 2. This is the second fish that we got in a row. Get your phone, get your phone. Dude, second fish in a row. Oh, this one, I think this one's tiny. This one's tiny. Oh, it came up. Tiny fish. It was literally a bitch. Let's see if we can get 3 for 3. Well, oh my gosh, 3 for 3. I'm not even cheating. I'm not even trolling. This one's good. This one's good. This one's good. 3 for 3 on 3 casts with the whopper flapper.
Third cast on the whopper flapper.
First fish we got in.
Big too.
Oh shoot, second fish came off. Third fish, decent size. Let's get her in, let's get her in. And she's in. Decent size, let's get her in, let's get her in.
Damn, bro, it's a dink, bro. It's a dink.
Probably bigger than the last one. Probably 1 pounder.
Good fish.
Decent fish there. 3 for 3 on the. Alright, is the biggest fish of the day. So pretty nice one. Really healthy. Just coming out of the winter time. This is like spring, summer. So pretty good fish. We're gonna release her. 3 for 3 right now. So we'll see what else we can get. No way I'm about to go 4 for 4. That would be insane. Alright, 4 for 4, bro. Ready? 4 for 4. Right there. You owe me $10 if I get this. Yeah, there's no way.
Nah, you guys really thought we were gonna hit 4 for 4? Nah.
So for the combo, what we're using is the American Hero rod, and we have it paired with the some braid right here. We got 50 pounder. I run it really heavy for these smaller ponds and stuff. Honestly, I just run it really heavy wherever because really prevents like bird nesting and stuff. Why is she recording? I don't know if the camera just saw.
Alright guys, so we're about 20-ish minutes in, and there's a lady in that dock up there. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a lady right there. And so basically she's just trying to record us and try to get catch us right-handed or something. But yeah, she's recording us. We don't really know why. We have had problems with her before, but I don't know. So we'll keep you guys updated with that. When looking over the footage, I didn't see the guy, but there is a guy under the dock and they were communicating. I wasn't there to hear it, but Aiden was able to hear it, and they were talking about us. He didn't really know much, but we think it's something against us, and I don't know, we don't really know, but I hope it's
Did you hear
nothing
that?
too bad.
Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, come here. I will. Come here. I know, come here, come here, come here. Did you hear what the guy said? He said those boys need to get the hell out of here. Did you seriously? Don't disrespect her, because then Joyce won't, approve.
Heck.
I can't believe you came in so clutch when that person swore at us. When that person swore at us, you recorded it. What did he say again?
You're an asshole.
Yeah, did he say that?
Alright guys, so I'm going to be using a 3-jointed
Hey, take a picture with your phone right here. Take a picture of this. What are you using?
I tried starting off the dock, because that's where we mostly catch fish, and I just really wanted to catch one. I haven't caught one this year at this lake in specific.
What do you mean? On the Bass Fishing Duo account or the... I can't tell if I'm reeling too fast. Wait, did you say you were gonna use the rat, Aiden? Oh, there's a big bluegill right there. What the heck? No, I didn't. Uh-huh. That'd be good footage, Lucky.
The problem I had while using this bait was my lure was way too light and I wasn't able to cast it like over halfway, and I just feel like the fish are on the other side on the edges and it's just hard for me to cast it.
Man, nothing, man. Absolutely nothing. This place is dead. I'm thinking of using Senkos next time, right?
Alright guys, that'll wrap it up for the video today. Peace out.